Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Alok Akwal, working as an associate professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. I am here to share the information regarding the various funding opportunities provided by SERB. As we know, SERB provides lot of opportunities to the researcher to carry out their work and provide funding for that. But due to lack of awareness, we are not able to encash it. So here I am to act as a bridge and will share information related to the various funding opportunities available by SERB and probably by other funding agency as well. So in this video, I will be discussing about the funding opportunities provided by SERB only, and we will discuss one of such opportunity in detail. In the coming videos, we will take all the schemes available in SERB website. So here are the different schemes that are available in SERB website, which are open for a certain period of time only. So in that category, the first one is SERB International Research Experience Scheme, Startup Grant Scheme, Core Research Grant, Special Call for Proposals, Special Call on COVID-19, that is for short term, Teachers Associate for Research Excellence, Matrix Scheme, Supra Scheme, National Postdoctoral Fellowship Scheme, Empowerment and Equity Opportunities for Excellence in Science, SERB Star Scheme, SERB Tetra Scheme. So these are the schemes that are open for a certain duration of time only. There are certain schemes that are open throughout the years, like International Travel Support, JC Bose National Fellowship, renewal of JC Bose National Fellowship Scheme, Ramanujan Fellowship Scheme, scheme for conducting seminar or symposia in your institution, SERB Power Fellowship, and visiting Advanced Joint Research Faculty Scheme. So these are the scheme open throughout the year, and the person want to apply can apply anytime around the year. So we'll discuss each one of the scheme in detail. And to start with, we have SERB International Research Experience Scheme. So let us see what are the objective of SERB behind this scheme. So the objective is to build national capacity in frontier area of science and technology by providing opportunities for international R&D experience. So this scheme is for the person who want international exposure and want to go outside for a certain duration of time to get experience of international R&D. Again, they want to tap the expertise gained by the SERE fellow to strengthen or initiate national program in their domain knowledge. And the main aim is to encourage the research activity in the area that are less explored in India. Now, what is the eligibility criteria? So the scheme is open for Indian nationals only. The person holding the PhD degree in science and engineering from recognized institution may apply. Again, the applicant must have a permanent position in any research or academic institution. Applicant having MBBS or MD degree are also eligible to apply, and the applicant having TARE award are also eligible to apply. The age limit of the application is 40 years, and there is a relaxation of 5 years for the person, for the applicant belonging to the SC, ST, OBC, physically challenged or women's category. Now the selection procedure. The selection would be made among the faculties who gained the approval of research plan from the overseas institution. So before you apply for this scheme, you should have approval of research plan from the institute that you want to visit. Next, the board will decide or select the candidate, and that board will constitute a selection committee. The last date of application is 10th February, and the tentative date of result is 15th April 2022. Now, the nature and duration of the support. The SERB will provide you a monthly stipend or a monthly fellowship of $3,000 per $3,000, including one-time contingency of $75,000 and a medical insurance of $20,000. They will also provide you the airfare for shortest route from the place you are working at present in India to the host institute and back. What are the guidelines that the proposal can be submitted in SERB online.in in a prescribed format? The format is given in the website. The duration of the visit should be between 2 to 6 months, that is minimum 2 months and maximum 6 months. SERB will not bear any liability other than giving you the funds as discussed in previous slide. The candidates selected under this program will need to start their research work in the host institution within 3 months of the offer letter. If the delay took place, the offer will be automatically stands withdrawn and no correspondence will be entertained thereafter. Applicant must submit the endorsement letter duly signed by the head of organization where the applicant is employed at present. The candidate should also submit a letter of approval of the research plan from the host that already been discussed earlier. Again, a copy of acceptance letter from the host institution is required at the time of applying for this scheme. Now, how to apply? So first you have to register yourself in online website of SERB. Then after login, you have to provide some basic information to build up your profile, like your biodata is required, your photo, your institute address, again your detail of qualifications, your research experience, your fellowship if you have any, and the employment detail of yours. If you have some patents in your credit, you need to write there. You have to share your publications detail, your project that has been completed, or you are in progress with some research project. Your research collaboration is also required to be filled. Again, for applying, you need to have with you a detail of your proposed work, which consists of title, that is of maximum 500 characters, including keywords of maximum 6, the expected outcome of your work within 1500 characters, and the tentative dates of visit to the host institution. These are the things required at the time of submission. Again, you have to create a detailed research plan in a format given by SERB that should not be more than 10 MB in a PDF format. So these are the things that need to be required at the time of applying. Now the checklist. So these are the important points that need to be checked once you start your filing, or once you submit it to the SERB portal. So you should have a biodata with you in a given format. The format is available in the SERB website. You have to create your biodata as per the given format because it is required during the submission. Again, the biodata of the overseas host scientist is required. There is no format of this, and the scientist will provide you his biodata and you have to upload that during the submission. Again, the consent letter from the host institution is required in the given format. Again, you have to send the format to the host institution. That institution will fill the format for you and they will send it back to you. That need to be uploaded during the submission. There, it consists of research plan in a given format, that is in PDF file, which should not exceed file size of 10 MB. Again, you have to check that research plan for plagiarism, and you have to fill a form that is plagiarism undertaking, and the format of the same is provided in the SERB portal. Again, a certificate from applicant is required. The format of the same is available in SERB portal. Endorsement letter from the head of institution. This need to be submitted. The format is available again in the SERB portal. It required an age proof that you have to submit either your class 10 mark sheet or your date of birth certificate. Again, those who want to take a benefit of those 5 years age relaxation, they need to submit the category certificate or the physically handicapped certificate with that. So these are the checklists that need to be checked before you submit your proposal under this scheme. So this is all about SERB International Research Experience Scheme that is open at present under SERB portal. So in next video, we'll discuss other schemes that are being open or are open in current time. So thank you very much for seeing this video.